Eating avocado every day can significantly improve your heart health, and I'm here to tell you how. All right, let's dive into the wonderful world of avocados. Today, I'm going to share with you why avocados are not just delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your heart health. Avocados are often hailed as a superfood, especially when it comes to taking care of your heart. They are packed with nutrients that can work wonders for your cardiovascular well-being. Now let's talk about the common health issues related to heart health and why it's crucial to maintain a healthy heart. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, so it's essential to be proactive in taking care of your heart to prevent such issues. When it comes to avocados, they are a powerhouse of nutrients like monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber, all of which play a significant role in promoting heart health. These nutrients help lower bad cholesterol levels, regulate blood pressure, and improve overall heart function. Research findings and success stories have shown the remarkable impact avocados can have on heart health. From reducing the risk of heart disease to improving cardiovascular function, avocados have proven time and again to be a heart-healthy superfood. In summary, avocados are a must-try for anyone looking to prioritize their heart health. Remember to incorporate them into your diet regularly to reap the numerous benefits they offer. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to try out a new avocado recipe or share your favorite ways to enjoy avocados in the comments below. Let's spread the love for this heart-healthy superfood and inspire others to make healthier choices. Cheers to a healthy heart with avocados!